Everyone, Extreme Crypto here with more crypto news. Another country adopts Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu is making more and more waves. But before we get to the news, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so we can help grow the crypto adoption. Bitcoin outperformed crude oil, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and gold in 2021. If you look at this current chart, the yellow line is Bitcoin, and there's stages where it just ran away from the rest. Despite the price slumps at the end of last year, Bitcoin still managed to close 2021 with an increase of over 60%. As such, it outperformed all other major assets classes for the second year in a row, reveals CoinGecko's 2021 report. Bitcoin stands above other classes. The popular crypto data aggregator shared its 2021 report with Crypto Potato, highlighting the eventful year in the digital asset space. Although a large portion of the focus went on DeFi, meme coins, and NFTs, Bitcoin still had a crucial year in terms of its adoption and price movements. The asset started 2021 on a high note, registering new all-time highs frequently before China's alt ban on anything crypto and the outing of miners brought a massive correction mid-year. Bitcoin resumed its bull run in early Q4 and charted yet another new record, which now stands at $69,000. On news that the US finally approved its first Bitcoin ETF, even if it was futures-backed one. However, it was mainly downhill since then, as BTC lost more than $20,000 by the end of the year and finished around $48,000. Nevertheless, it still managed to increase its USD value by 62% from the start to the end of 2021. As such, CoinGecko noted that the primary cryptocurrency outperformed all major asset classes in 2021, despite its relatively small return. The closest asset from the traditional financial world was crude oil, which finished 2021 with an increase of 58%. The S&P 500 followed with 29% rise. Next on Nasdaq with 23%, and the dollar index with 6%. Interestingly, gold, considered by many as the ultimate hedging tool in terms of economic uncertainty, declined by 6% in 2021. Now Shiba Inu is making waves all over. Shiba Inu 𝙏𝙼𝙖𝙣 to shoot higher as rumors of Robinhood listing SHIB as early as February swirl. The price of Shiba Inu skyrocketed Wednesday following fresh speculations about the token being finally listed by the popular zero-commission crypto and stock trading app Robinhood. The sudden strong breakout helped the self-styled Dogecoin rival overtake Polygon by market value and retake the 13th position on crypto rankings. Fresh Robinhood rumors offer boost to Shiba. Rumors started circulating on January 12 again that Robinhood has finally decided to add SHIB to the crypto-related offerings. The Twitter account for the Zero Hedge financial blog told its followers that the SHIB listing is expected as early as February. Boosted by the rumor, SHIB rose by more than 16%, offered a 24-hour time frame to hit a local high of 0.00003241% before retracing slightly. The so-called Doge killer now has a market cap of more than $17.58 billion. Matic's market value stands at $17.3 billion. This is despite the Robinhood rumors being unconfirmed at the time of publication. Is it just another boost to get the coin up, or is it a reality gonna happen? Well, February is around the corner, and hopefully Robinhood's add Shiba. Shiba onboards 2,400 new orders on average daily despite volatile market. Despite recent instability in the cryptocurrency market, the number of decentralization tokens Shiba Inu holders continue to grow in 2022. It's noteworthy that across the last month, Shiba has increased the total number of unique addresses that hold assets of the meme token to a record high of 1.136 million as of January 13th, 2022, according to CoinMarketCap data. Interestingly, on December 15, 2021, there was 1,063,000 Shiba Inu holders, indicating that the asset has gained 72,222 new holders over the previous 30 days. Therefore, on average, Shiba added 2,407 unique addresses every day to its network. Shiba just keeps on growing and the ecosystem keeps on building. Shiba holder statistics. Notably, the top 10 holders currently hold 64.59% of the total supply. In contrast, the top 100 holders holds 80.76%, which indicates that despite over 1 million holders, the asset is controlled by a number of whales. Now, this is massive. 100 people is holding more Shiba Inu in their wallets than 963,000 people. Is that a setup for a dump? A massive one? Here's how much more Shiba must be burned for price to soar. Over the past 24 hours, more than 5.5 million Shiba Inu meme tokens have been burned. However, the constant daily Shiba burns did not contribute to yesterday's Shiba price surge. This is how much more Shiba needs to be taken out of the circulation to let the coin's exchange rate skyrocket, according to the Shiba army. Here's how many burned tokens might push the Shiba price up. As per tweet posted by the SHIBburn user, in the past 24 hours, a total of 5.6 million Shiba Inu tokens were destroyed by the sent to an unspendable wallet. The author of the post reminds us that so far, slightly over 41% of the initial quadrillion supply has been destroyed. However, in a common thread, several users posted sarcastic statements about these tiny amounts of the token getting burned. One of them believes that in order to see any substantial Shiba Inu price action, at least 61 to 71% of the total supply needs to be destroyed. Now, in my opinion, burning 5 million tokens a day on average through a month is 150 million tokens that's getting burned. It's not a major burn off, it's steadily decreasing the amount of tokens, which is a wealthy burn cycle. Yes, some days might be more and some days might be less, but I like the way it's currently get burned. It will get to the 61 to 71%, and where will the price be then? Tonga to copy El Salvador's bill making Bitcoin legal tender, says former MP. In a ruling that is almost identical to El Salvador's bill, Tongan bigwig Lord anticipates the country could adopt Bitcoin by November. Now, it's January, it's only 10 months away. Another domino is lined up to fall down the route to Bitcoinization. On Wednesday, a former lawmaker of the public island national of Tonga shared a play-by-play approach to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. In a series of tweets, Lord, a former member of parliament for Tonga, released an ETA for Bitcoin, becoming legal tender in Tonga, copying El Salvador's playbook. The move could onboard more than 100,000 Tongans onto the Bitcoin network. In his 5-point plan, the chairman of the Global Organization of Parliament Against Corruption describes the adoption path. September to October, bill goes to Parliament, passed. Sent to the Palace Office for submission to His Majesty for royal assent. A month, HM, as advised by Privy Council, assents to bill. 2 to 3 weeks, Gazette by government, activation date set. 5, and finally, on activation date, Bitcoin becomes legal tender. We're seeing more and more small countries looking into legalize Bitcoin. Are this going to take the small countries become stronger and the big countries trying to avoid it get weaker? Leave me your comments and concerns down below and have a great one. We'll be back with more news.